that you can do to your skin to keep it looking younger, fresher, healthier, clearer is to exfoliate the skin. Exfoliating the skin at least twice per week can help your skin to look healthier. What exfoliating does to the skin, it gets rid of the dead skin cells that is on the skin. It also gets rid of blackheads and whiteheads. It seeps right into those pores and clean them out, causing the pores to shrink, and also it gets rid of bacteria on the skin. If you're looking for a healthier looking skin, that is the way to go. Now there are a wide variety of exfoliator on the market that you can try, or you can even whip up one in your kitchen. One of my favorite exfoliator to use on my skin is baking soda and coconut oil. When I use it on my skin, it leaves my skin not only looking clean and clear, but it also leaves this natural glow to the skin that I like. It also helps my skin to be free from hyperpigmentation, and it also gets rid of my blackheads and whitehead. What I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share one of my personal homemade exfoliator. This exfoliator I like to use when my skin is what I call run down. When my skin is just not looking right at all and I want an instant glow to my skin, I whip this up in my kitchen. However, guys, I also had another ingredient to this that helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're looking for an exfoliator that is going to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, it's going to clean those pores out, it's going to get rid of dead skin cells, and it's going to have your face looking younger and fresher. But not only that, it's going to help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. Follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip it up really quick, and at the end I'm just going to show you, maybe on my hand or on my face, who knows. Gotta watch the video to see what I'm going to do, how to use it on your skin for best result, to help to transform your skin and give your skin that healthy, natural looking glow. Now, to get rid of blackheads and whitehead on the skin, one ingredient that you can use is baking soda. Baking soda will help to clean those pores out, and also will help to get rid of the grease and the dirt from the skin. Now, when it comes on to baking soda, it's not for everyone. Now, if you have sensitive skin, please patch test before you use baking soda on the skin. However, for everyone else, you are good to go. You don't need a lot of baking soda, nor do you need to use it often. Once a week is good for the baking soda. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. Pour this in the bowl. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some green tea, and green tea will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Green tea contains antioxidants that will help to brighten the skin. Now we are going to use 1 tea bag of this green tea, and we're going to pour this in the bowl with the baking soda. Once this is done, we're going to mix the 2 ingredients together. So here we're mixing baking soda and green tea, 2 ingredients that will help to clear the skin of blackheads, whitehead, grease, and dirt, and also help to shrink those large pores. Now, once the 2 ingredients is totally blended together, what I'm going to do next, I am going to reach for some rose water. Now, why am I using rose water? Rose water helps to balance the pH level of the skin, but we're also using the rose water for its hydrating properties, and it's also going to help the baking soda to be less harsh on the skin. So we're using about a teaspoon of the rose water. Pour this in. So here in our bowl we already have 3 ingredients. We have baking soda, we have green tea, and we also have rose water. Now take a look at my final ingredient. Here I have some coconut oil, and coconut oil is a humectant that will help to lock the moisture in the skin. However, when it comes on to getting rid of blackheads and whiteheads, grease and dirt from those clogged pores, this is amazing when mixed with the baking soda and the green tea. It causes them to work much better on the skin. A little of this goes a long way. We're not using a lot, so 1 teaspoon of coconut oil is great. Now we are going to mix this in, And this is going to be like a paste, so mix well. We're mixing baking soda, we're mixing green tea, we're mixing rose water, and we're mixing coconut oil. Now you don't need a lot, and this is good for one application. So once we do this, guess what we're going to do? We're going to set this aside, and I like to put it down for about 2 to 3 hours to just let everything just infuse together. And also this have to cut down on the strength of the baking soda. What we're looking from the baking soda is its exfoliating properties. So cutting the strength down does not affect the performance of the baking soda. So now that this is done, guys, what you need to do, you need to take a little bit of the mixture and you are gonna exfoliate your skin with it. Just exfoliate in circular motion like I'm showing here. Just doing a live demonstration on my hands today. Just exfoliate, exfoliate, and you do not want to press too hard on the skin. You don't want to be rubbing it like that. You want to gentle exfoliate the skin with this mixture. And you're going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes all over your face. You can even take it down on the neck and the décolleté, and when that's done with, just rinse off. I like when you rinse this off preferably with a little warm water. So just rinse off. Let me rinse my hand off really quick. And once you rinse off, then you are just gonna pat dry your skin, reveal beautiful looking skin, and apply your favorite skincare products. Now this, as I said, is good just once a week. Once a week is all you need to get the job done. So don't make a large batch, just make a small amount like I did here and use it up that same day. So no need for storing. Now if you continue to use this, you're on your way to amazing skin. Now if you have acne prone skin, I suggest you use a little bit of a tea tree oil in the mixture, and all you need is 1 to 2 drops of the tea tree oil, which contain antibacterial properties. Therefore you're going to get the best benefit from using this to get rid of blackheads, whitehead, clean those pores out, shrink them, get rid of grease and dirt and dead skin cells on the skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. A quick, easy recipe that you can try. Go ahead, give it a try. And I have a question for you. What other ingredient would you add to this exfoliator? Comment below and also check out the product list that is listed on the screen. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.